You can't miss this video. It will completely change how you think about security management. Schools, smart factories, and logistics warehouses all face the same challenge: how to get the most powerful video management under limited budgets. The answer is ACT Windows NVR. Live View. Supports up to 225 live channels, flexible layouts, fisheye dewarping, Google Maps integration, and two-way audio. Schools can monitor gates and hallways at the same time, factories can view production lines and broadcast instantly, logistics can track unloading status. Recording. Features event-triggered recording, idle frame rate reduction for storage savings, scheduling, and SD card synchronization. School dormitory access, factory goods tracking, and cold chain logistics can all be fully recorded as reliable evidence. Event handling. Supports video analytics, motion detection, and audio anomaly triggers. Responses include pop-ups, PTZ auto tracking, audio alarms, and notifications via line or mobile devices. From campus emergencies to factory fires or logistics intrusions, alerts are delivered instantly. Smart search. Thumbnail, event, and bookmark search functions locate target footage in seconds. Schools can quickly review student disputes, factories can trace product batches, and logistics can confirm unloading times. Playback. Multi-channel synchronized playback, at speeds from 164 times, up to 256 times. School incidents can be reviewed from different angles, factory accidents analyzed step by step, and logistics losses traced completely. Export. Quick export to AVI, MP4, MKV, or original files with a dedicated player. School disputes, factory accidents, and logistics insurance claims can all be backed with legal-grade evidence. Visual tracking. Simply click on the screen to automatically switch to related cameras. Track crowds on a school playground, monitor unloading lines in factories, or follow suspicious individuals at logistics docks in real time. Milestone is powerful but expensive. ACT not only covers the same functions but also offers more built-in conveniences, at only half the price. This gives system integrators a competitive edge in projects. Click the link now and let ACT Windows NVR be your strongest security partner.